Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is officially my first video and I'm so excited to get this started. If you don't know me, of course you don't know me, it's my first video. Hi, my name is Priya. I used to be Priya as well as Mama Africa. If you remember those, let me know in the comment section down below. I thought this would be a great way for me to connect with you guys and really get out those videos that I've been wanting to film. I do skincare, makeup, and I've just recently started cooking. It's been quite the journey to learn these new skills, and I would love to show you guys what I'm up to. I got married last year in August, and I'm living with my husband Anand. I can't even believe how fast time flies because we're almost approaching that 1-year mark. I'm currently quarantined in Florida, so let me just tell you, it's honestly the best thing ever. The weather is great. I've been able to enjoy a lot of sunshine that I wasn't able to back in Canada. So I really wanted you to meet my new puppy, Kobe. He is the sweetest. Oh, sorry. He's getting bigger by the day. Hi, Kobe. Hey, you wanna say hi? He looks so sad, but this is just his face. You will see him in a lot of content because he is always following me around. I did want to say that I was reluctant to film and to start this channel based on what is happening in the world in regards to the Black Lives Matter movement. I am an ally of the Black community. I grew up in Africa, I lived in Canada. It is our duty to not be ignorant and to educate ourselves on this matter and have those difficult conversations and really contribute to the organizations that are making a change in this world. I will leave some links down below in regards to the organizations that are doing some great work for the community and how you can be of support. But yeah, other than that, if you made it to this part of the video, I really appreciate it. I'm so thankful. If you want to hit the subscribe button very early, I say do it now, and I will catch you guys in the vlog. Morning. This is a stretching routine. We have downward dog. We have the crawl. So I'm having some kakra. If you're Gujarati, I don't even have to explain anything here, but I have some kakra, I have some tikki save, I have some jevro. These two were like homemade by my mother-in-law, and they're so good. And then I have this jeera curry biscuit. I already ate one. And then I have my coffee. This is really what keeps me going. Anand's laughing at me. Okay, so for this mango salsa, it's just basically a dump and go process. I have fresh cut mangoes here. And I have some I have some avocados here and some fresh cut strawberries. We have lots of jalapenos here. I am going to just dump those in. I'm using the diced jalapenos. These other ones are for another dish. And I'm going to just give it a good mix. Now, before I mix it any further, I'm going to add in the juice of half a lime. The recipe says 1 whole lime, but that's really sour for me. And I'm going to just add in a pinch of salt. Just for like a slight smoky flavor, I'm also going to add in a bit of chipotle powder. And again, give it a good mix. And I'm just going to top it up with some cilantro. Kobe. Kobe. Hey, Kobe. Hi, Kobe. Hey. Kobe! Who told you to go? Guys, dinner was so good. We had enchiladas with Mexican rice and mango salsa. It was just the perfect combination. I ate a lot. Like, I'm so full. Sorry, Anand's on a call right now, so I'm not trying to be too loud. But I'm watching a show called Selling Sunsets, and it is about the luxury real estate market in the Los Angeles area. It's so interesting. There's like homes that are on there for like $4 to $5 million, upwards of like $40 million, and these girls that work at the real estate office are, you know, hustling to sell them. It's such a cool cool show. Let me know what you guys are watching right now on Netflix. I would love to check out some new stuff. Okay, so I just finished doing my nails, and I've been using this Oxygen nail treatment from Julep, and I love it. This is about 3 coats. Earlier when you were seeing me in my video, I had 1 coat, so you could see like it could be really sheer, or you could build it up to it looking like an actual nail polish. And I just think it's super natural and really pretty. Wash my hands, I am ready to go. So I wanted to do my regular makeup routine. Kobe, please don't touch the tripod. I wanted to do my regular makeup routine and just kind of walk you through what I do. I'm starting off with the MAC Strobe Cream, about this much less. So this gives me a really nice base for me to look really moisturized and hydrated. I'm going in with brows. I go in with the center shade and the gray shade. I was wearing my regular makeup that had like tinted foundation and stuff like to me, and I didn't even realize that once I put on my mask, I ruined everything on my face. My base was all creased because of the bands with the face mask, and then my face mask had stains from my lip gloss because I was dumb and I wore lip gloss that day. Like, it's just crazy. So basically how I do my brows, I take the medium and the darkest shade and I work that into my brows using little strokes. And just give myself the shape I want. I keep it very natural because my brows, I have quarantine brows, they're not done. I just tweezed them this morning to give myself just a cleaner look. I just got rid of my unibrow really and cleaned up some of the sides down here. All right, so my brows are done. I'm then going in with my concealer. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty concealer, and you can use any concealer you want. I tend to use one with a peachy undertone, so it can cancel out the darkness under my eyes. I don't really have really dark eye circles, I just have a little bit of pigmentation. Then whatever extra is on my tip, I place it on my nose, just underneath, to clean up the hairs that are there. Now the best way to use a beauty blender is damp. I know a lot of people try to use it dry. It does not work dry. You're supposed to wet it, press it under water and keep it damp, and then you can use it as a beauty sponge. I work to blend in everything first, then I'm going to blend in my brows. The reason why I'm blending these in is because I don't want the extra product on my beauty blender. Then I'm going to take the beauty blender, press the product into my eyes. I'm not dragging. I'm doing little bounces on the under eye area on it, like right by my lash line. There's no concealer, and that's because I want my eyes to still look natural. I don't want it to look like I have worn a lot of makeup. I want it to seem like this is just my skin but better. And at the edge of my eye, you can see me doing these motions where I turn the beauty blender on its side and I work it upwards. I don't just go straight because then it's going to make this part of my face look wider rather than lifting my eye up. You see how it gets lifted right there? And that's great because I don't have to wear winged eyeliner to make my eyes look lifted then. Now, taking whatever is left on my beauty blender, which is not much, I'm going to just work it right around my nose to get rid of any darkness. Going in with Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and it is in the shade Hazelnut. And basically I'm using this to contour. Especially now that I'm in Florida, my makeup literally melts off my face. This is just to help the makeup last a lot longer, stay on my skin and look really seamless. So I'm taking the concealer. I really enjoy this because it blends out seamlessly and it's very affordable. I draw a line down my chin and on the other side and right at the tip. I also get my chin. You don't have to. This is my preference. I'm going to take the butt of the beauty blender right there, the round side. I'm going to tap and then blend it out. It's the Marc Jacobs contour powder, and it's in the shade Mirage 40. So I'm going to go in with the lighter shade, and I'm just going to take that powder and just press that into my under eye area right there. I love this product. I've been using it for almost like 6 years, obviously different versions. I've gone through a few of these palettes now. I don't want it to look cakey, so I'm just going to tap whatever is left on my brush on the top of my chin, under my eyebrows, wherever I put the concealer. And then going in with the contour shade, I'm going to just swirl my brush around so the product is kind of all over the brush. It's not just very saturated in one spot. And I'm just going to start working it in, and lightly. You see how I'm holding the brush at the back? So basically I'm doing that and just working it into my cheeks. And this will give me the least amount of pressure, but get the powder on and really just make it look airbrushed. The rest of it on my forehead. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes. So I'm going to go in with the Pixi Beauty eyeliner, and it's in the shade Black Cocoa, and I'm going to just lightly line my eyes. So I'm going to look down and drag the pencil along my lash line. I'm just going to top this eye look off with some mascara. I like to do about 2 coats of mascara. 3 I find with this one gets a little clumpy, so it's I think best to do just 2 coats and see how you feel. When you wiggle at your baseline, you want to pull upwards so you really elongate those lashes. And I like to just kind of start placing them where I want. I like a cat eye look. Some people like a very doll-like look, so they'll make it look like straight on all the sides. I like it to be very fluffy at the ends. So if you'll notice, I don't even put mascara in the inner corners. And then I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner again that we used earlier, and I'm just going to lightly line the outer third of my eye. I have pigmented eyelids, so I don't really wear eyeshadow. I find this is enough, but if you want to top off an eyeshadow, you can, or you can do this slight trick that I want to do next. I'm using this cute little mini size from Benefit. It's the Benefit WhatsApp. Highlight the inner corner of my eyes right here. And I'm going to just give myself a nice small little tap on my cheekbone. And then to blend it out, I'm going to use my finger and really use the heat from my fingers to blend this out. And it gives a really nice subtle candlelit glow. I'm going in with the Glossier Cloud Paint, and it's in the shade Storm. Now you have to be careful with this product because it kind of shoots out at you, so I just like to take a little bit, like the tiniest amount. But I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty lip liner in Trendsetter. I love this lip liner. I like to choose one that's very close to my lip color. What I love about this lip liner is that it doubles as a lipstick. It also doesn't transfer, so if you're eating, you'll notice that the color is still on your lips. So I do really like this lip liner, but I'm just going to top it off with one more product, and that is the Glossier Generation G lipstick. They're really matte, they're really comfortable on the lips, and I'm just going to dab that on. I'm not going to put on a lot of it, just to kind of give myself a hue. This is my final makeup look. This is like my everyday, if I want to get ready and look fancy. Obviously you can do way less. You don't have to do all this if you don't want to. This is just if I really want to get dressed up. This would work great for even just like a casual event like brunch or like dinner with friends or whatever. So it's very minimal. It looks like you put in effort, but you didn't go overboard. The whole purpose of this makeup was so I could wear it when I'm running errands, and now that it's regulation to wear a mask, I want to show you guys. So basically, you can wear a mask and you look really nice. Your eyes look pop in. And nothing transfers off. So I just realized that the way I was filming was a little bit backwards, but oh well. what can you do? My face is still the same. So that's it for the video and this tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and if you made it to this part of the video, I hope you can subscribe and let me know in the comment section what you want to see next, and also what your Netflix suggestions are. I'm still looking. I really do hope you guys are safe and you take care, and I hope you have a good week.